Okay, more 1959 Buick parts. This time we have the front and rear, left and right door handles. And they have some pitting. It's to be expected. These are pot metal and they're 60 years old, but they still work. Every one of them. And what's more, that is the only good screw I had to take out of these. The rest of them had to come off with vice grips, and they all screwed right off. Every one of them screwed right off. How did I get it off the car, you asking? Reaching inside a door with a pair of vice grips? I had to cut the doors because there was no way I'd get my hands and tool in there to get a good grip on anything. I had to cut the doors. The doors are so totally gone it didn't matter. And we cut it with that. And we also have the wing window handles. Little pitted here, but they're good on the back. Good teeth in there, and even got the little clip on it. I just noticed that. That's a little different. I wonder if I have another one in there that matches. I took off more than one car. Oh! Yes, I do. Look at that. Get rid of that. And there we go. Two that match. We'll keep that one for the clip. Yep, we got them all off. Using the vice grips and the Sawzall off of this car right here, 1959 Buick Invicta. Same car we took trim off of several years, about 5 years ago. And we managed to get the doors, all four of them off. Because of those trees over there, the Sawzall was the only option for the driver's side. I can only open the door a couple of inches. But they're so far gone that there's really nothing you can do. Look at this. Look at that. They're so far gone, there's nothing you can really do with these anymore. No bottoms, nothing. Completely gone. But the hinges are still good. Oops. Now let's take a closer look at the handles, the screws. They turn, no problem. Come right out. You will have to replace the screws. Nothing I can do about that. But the metal is so good that they did not snap off in the handle itself, which is important because that thing snaps off in there. It's a lot of work. See? All the dirt come out of him. Springs are still good in there. And there we go. 1959 Buick Invicta. All four door handles.